Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Dodge Challenger bumper. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a plastic trim removal tool. Always work on a level surface with your parking brake engaged for safety. Then, carefully lift the front of your Challenger and secure it properly with jack stands before proceeding. Next, we'll tackle the fender liners. Use your trim removal tool to pop out the plastic push pins and unscrew any screws holding the liner to the bumper. Gently pull the liner back to expose more fasteners. Then, move to the top of the grille. You'll find several bolts or clips that need to be removed to free the upper section of the bumper.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof food containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're working on your car or just heading out. You can find a link to them and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, let's get underneath the car. There are usually several bolts and clips along the bottom edge of the bumper that need to be removed. Take your time to find them all. Also, inspect the sides where the bumper meets the fender for any hidden screws or clips. Don't forget to carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. With all fasteners removed, the bumper should now be ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper straight out from the vehicle, starting from the sides, to release any remaining clips. It's a good idea to have a friend help support the bumper as you disconnect any final wiring harnesses. Once free, carefully place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to avoid scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.